I still don't like it. As long as my Uncle Macmillan is there, I'll be right here. And if you don't like it, you can come speak. We don't get gold in India, but we get gold in England. That's why I'm still here. Two of my brothers are on their way coming to speak, and we will be insinuating that there is no salvation other than Christ.
My dear friend,
To be a friend of America does not mean that you find 5 giants.
देखिए साहब Now listen. The question is, that if I am against capitalism, why is Pakistan taking capitalist aid from America? Now it's a very senseless question because I did not say that the Pakistan government is not a capitalist government. Obviously, that's precisely what I'm against.
In 1920, the Communist Party published a book by Bogdanov, A Short Course of Economic Science, in which he stated that socialism was the highest possible phase in human development that the communists could possibly conceive of. In other words, a distinction between socialism and communism only when it came in line with the interests of the clique which exists in Russia, the clique which developed in Russia. Stalin and his henchmen, his murderers and his twisters. Then the distinction emerged when it became in line, when it developed in the interests of the Russian ruling class. Next question. Don't you understand you're standing in London and say what you like? We let you free, go back there. No, I love it here. We gave you the damn country, get back there. No, I want to stay here. Full of baloney. You never say one decent bloody statement. Oh yes, only your conquest of white women. You the English people, stand up and I'll tell you how grateful I am. You the English people, I am very grateful to you for coming to my country to educate me and to civilize me. When you came to India, you went out with our women, and eventually when you left in 1948, you left us 5 million Anglo-Indians behind. Thank you very much. You came to the Caribbean, you went out with our women, and eventually when you left us 45,000 cosmopolitans. Thank you very much, Mr. Englishman. We the black men are very grateful. We are not ungrateful, so we have decided to come back home to repay the gratitude. We're leaving half caste behind. But the Englishmen do not like us. He doesn't know the laws of Hyde Park. But if you continue the way you are, I shall get a white policeman to put you away behind black bars. And I will show you that we have got more rights than you in this country. Especially you coming from the Irish Republic.
Are you Irish?
I am not Irish, my mother was Irish. My father made a mistake. The plane that he was coming on had mechanical defects. Instead of coming to London Airport, he stopped at Shannon Airport. And Jesus went out and departed to the temple.
First of all, we've got to know what the temple is like. And his disciples came to him for to show him the building of the temple. And Jesus said unto them,
Everybody in the planet's having a We've got a lovely selection here. The oldest shop in Pellegrini. Give yourself a couple of minutes. If you don't see what you require, you walk down. We don't mind, but don't pester people, so you needn't worry.
Anybody can have a film today, as long as you're married. What? Have a pair of pillowcases. They come all off them. Close right in. Mustn't shout. Property is Scotland.
Come on inside, come inside.
Come right. It's a small money, really. One large pair of pillowcases. Got a bit grubby. Give me a shilling.
Shilling the pair over there.
Lady over there's got for a shilling. Look, don't ask prices, governor. Just keep your hand
Anything's
up.
coming up now, it's all coming up.
Pick it up, put your hand up, sharp.
Whatever comes up, put your hand up.
On these, terry towel and tea towels. They were very large bath sheets, but they shrunk in the wash. They're coming to use them for cleaning dishes. Anybody use them? Sterling wool was leather sheet, was 2 and 5 each. We won't send you one, but we won't charge you 2 and 5. Look, there's a pair there, one on top, comes to 4 and 10. Not even 4 bob, 3 and 10. Here coming not even 3 and 6 or 3 bob. Rock bottom, a pair of them. Be half a pound.
Half a pound a pair. Who wants a pair half a pound?
There's another one over there. Oh my God, lady's got her hand up.
Pair over there.
I will.
The ideal gift for a young married couple.
Anybody getting married?
5.15 a set. And now 1, 2, 3. The beauty about this set is you do the gas or electric. 3, 4. Look, and I'll show you what I mean. This is no dilly and dally. Everyone, sir, is stamped the mark, 9 carat. I don't have to lie. And if I misrepresent anybody, I don't care where you go, call the policeman over if everyone has got marks to stand. At 4 bucks, but you can't have 2. The name's Kirby. I'll sell you that, sir. Thank you.
Anybody want a call girl? Anybody want Christine? I'll phone up the bloody war office for you. Come here, we'll have a bit of fun. Who'd like 3 of these for 6pence? Nobody. You sure? I'm going to try 6 of you. My name is on the bag. This is all stolen property. We are licensed by Scotland Yard to sell stolen goods. All sorts by Dab Hills, that's Bassett, supplied to the Queen. She has it by appointment. So does her sister.
So does Mr. Profumo.
You have it by appointment? You can have it without the appointment. And if this don't move you after you've eaten them, beats and pills won't either. That today costs 3 bob, all sorts.